Okay, so this question, similar to a question from the VCAR 2010, we're talking about integration by recognition. So here's a function x log e of x defined over this particular domain. Doesn't include 0, but it's all positive real numbers. Find the derivative. So the derivative, I'm just going to use product rule. X squared times the derivative of log e of x plus log e of x times the derivative of x squared. So I've got 2x log e of x plus x. Is your answer to part A to find the area of the shaded region in this particular form? Okay, now obviously we're going to integrate from 1 to 4, and we don't know how to integrate by hand x log e of x, which is why they've got us to diff this initially so we can use this answer. So it's going to be integration by recognition. Now the area that we're looking for, so the area will be from 1 to 4 x log e x dx. That's what we're looking for. What we did know is that if we differentiate x squared log e of x, we obtain this, which means that if we anti-differentiate this, we will obtain x squared log e of x, and that's how I like to start. I like to start by saying that if we anti-differentiate 2x log e of x plus x, then we will get x squared log e of x. And now what we're talking about doing is rearranging our equation. There's different ways to do integration by recognition, but I'd say this is, to me, the most straightforward way. And so we need to get it so that we just have so we just have integral x log e of x dx on one side. Now that is over here. So we'll begin by moving this integral x dx to the right, and as well as I'll take this 2 out as it's a constant. So anytime I have a constant, I try to take it out. So 2 lots of log e of x dx, this is equal to x squared log e of x minus this integral of x. And so I almost have what I need over here except for this 2. So what I'll do is I'll multiply everything by a half. So here we'll have just x log e of x dx. Everything here will be multiplied by a half. In here will be x squared log e of x. And while I'm here, I'm going to anti-diff x. So take x squared on 2. All of this multiplied by a half. Now because I need the area from 1 to 4, those will be my terminals. And so now we just need to evaluate this right hand side. So what we'll do is, I might take this half out just to make it a little bit easier. And so I need to be careful here. So I'll sub in 4. So I've got 16 log e of 4. Take away 16 on 2, so take away 8. All of this, I need to sub in 1. So I've got 1 times log e of 1. Well, log e of 1 is actually going to be 0. So this will be 0. So this is going to be take away a half. Let's just clean this up a little bit. So this will be a half times 16 log e of 4 take well, negative 8, so I have to be careful here. By negatives, I can make a lot of mistakes. So this is negative 8 plus a half, so it's negative 17, negative 7.5. So negative 15 on 2. Now, I need to put it in this particular form here, so we'll have to expand. So this is going to be 8 log e of 4, take 15 on 4. Now, this question doesn't say what A, B, and C are, just expressed in this type of form, which I have.